In the last week we have discussed about the decimal numbers up to this point, decimal numbers. And in the decimal numbers we had just seen what are the decimal numbers, how can we deal with the decimal point, okay, and some basic operations which we will perform on the decimal numbers like addition, subtraction, like that. Now in next few lectures we will discuss about the multiplication and division of the decimal numbers. Okay, in the first part we had discussed about the fractions. Now in that part we had also discussed about the proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, multiplication of fraction, division of fractions. So all that parts we have covered in the fractions. And under the decimal numbers, we had just discussed about the introductory part of the decimal, what the decimals are and how can we deal with that decimal point. Okay, fine. So the numbers which we can express in this form 2.3579, this is the decimal number, or we can just say 2.7 is the decimal number. Now how can we mention it in fractional form? So we can mention it in fraction form like in this way, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 divided by. So how many digits by which you have shifted this decimal point? Number 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 digits were there. By that 4 digits you have shifted this decimal point here. At that time it will become like this. No need to write a decimal point after the last digit. There is no need of that. Okay. So I have shifted it by 4 digits. So I'll add here 4 zeros on 1. 4 zeros on 1. Okay. And in reverse way also we can say that if I cancel this 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0. So I'll shift my digits by the 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So your digit will be here. That means you will get 2.3579 is the number. How can we write this one? 2.7 is equal to 27 upon 10. How can we write this one? This is 357 divided by 100. How can we write this one? 42.6789. So it is equal to 426789 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. By 4 digits we have shifted the decimal points. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros we will add on the 1. So we can express our decimal number in fractional form, in this way. Also we have seen addition of decimal numbers and subtraction of decimal numbers. Under that we just seen that if your first number is 2.352 and second number is suppose 34.61 is the second number, and we need to add them together. So we'll write in this way 2.352. Now we just need to adjust the decimal point below the decimal point. Other numbers will come as it is. So decimal point below the decimal point, that means 34.61. Okay, 34.61. And wherever you feel that there is gap, that means no digit is there, so you just add their 0. Here is 0, here is 0. No problem. Your numbers will not change. Number will remain as it is. But just don't add zeros in between the two non-zero numbers. Okay. Otherwise that will change the whole meaning of the number. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 3, 0, 3. So 36.962 is the answer of this one. No problem. Okay. We had seen it. Then now we'll discuss the some critical level problems from your exercise number 2.5. So in the last lecture, in the last video, we have discussed about question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1 and question number 2 from exercise number 2.5. Now let us discuss the question number 3. What the question number 3 is? Express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. 5 centimeter, you have to express it in meter, how many meters and how many kilometers are there. Okay, fine, no problem. Now first we will do what? First we will convert this into meter. No problem. Now see my dear friends, as we know that what do we know? Relation between meter and centimeter. What is the relationship in between meter and centimeter? 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 1 meter is equal to this 100 centimeter. No problem. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, fine, no problem. So we want 5 centimeter. For that purpose, first we need to find out 1 centimeter, value of 1 centimeter. Here we want 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter is equal to how many meters? But for that purpose, first you need to find out 1 centimeter means how many meters. Like the simple example I told you on some last lectures. What is the price of 5 chocolates? 5 chocolates ची प्राइस किती आहे असं जर मी विचारलं, तुम्ही सांगू शकता? कसं सांगणार? पहिलं तुम्ही काय म्हणणार, एका चॉकलेटची प्राइस सांगा अगोदर, बरोबर का? ठीक आहे. 5 चॉकलेट इज इक्वल टू त्याची प्राइस किती असेल असं विचारलं तर तुम्ही अगोदर एक साहजिक प्रश्न विचारणार की एका चॉकलेटची किंमत किती आहे, कारण मार्केटमध्ये खूप सारे व्हरायटीज ऑफ चॉकलेट्स आहेत, त्यांच्या किमती वेगवेगळ्या आहेत. तर मग मला जर 5 चॉकलेटची किंमत पाहिजे असेल तर मला अगोदर एक चॉकलेटची किंमत माहित हवी आहे ना. मग मी जर म्हटलं एका चॉकलेटची किंमत 5 रुपये आहे, चला मग सांगा 5 चॉकलेट. अच्छा, 5 into 5 25. So 25 rupees is the cost of 5 chocolates. No problem, we can easily find out. But for that, first we need to know about what is the cost of 1 chocolate. Otherwise, without that we can't find it out. Now see. So first we should know about what is the value of 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to how many meters? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, no doubt. Now what we will do? Either you will transfer this 100 on this side, or you just say that divide both sides by 100. So you get here 1 by 100 meter is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 by 100 meter is equal to 1 centimeter. So can we write in this way? That is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Okay, no problem. The same step is that 1 upon 100 meter is equal to 1 centimeter. So we can say that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Okay, no problem. Now see, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Therefore, now tell me 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter is equal to, here we have multiplied by 5. So 5 centimeter is equal to 5 into 1 upon 100 meter. Therefore we can say that 5 centimeter is equal to this 5 upon 100, and which is equal to, now we will cancel 2 zeros, 1 0 2 0. So decimal point is here, you have to shift it by 2 digits. So this is first digit, this is second digit. Okay, no problem. So 0.05 divided by 1 meter means 5 centimeter. Therefore we can write the final answer, 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 0.05 meter. Okay, fine. 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 meter. No problem. So that's easy. That's easy. Okay. Do you have any problem? If you have any problem, you can just go through it once again, revise the video. I think you have understood very well. Okay, fine. No problem. Now see, my dear students, the next problem which we are going to discuss here is this. Now one more question was there. How many kilometers are there? 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 meter. 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 meter. So 5 centimeter is equal to how many kilometers? Now here we can go in two ways. Either direct centimeter to kilometer or meter to kilometer. We know the relationship between meter and kilometer. As we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meter. Okay, any doubt? No problem. So we can say that 1 kilometer is equal to, if 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, can I write like this? 1000 into 1 meter. 1000 into 1 means what? 1000 only. So it will not change the meaning of your last stage. That will remain as it is. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 into 1 meter. But as we know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 into 1 meter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter. We need to establish the relationship in between centimeter and kilometer. Centimeter and kilometer. Therefore, we can say that 1 kilometer is equal to these 3 and these 2. 5 zeros are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So these many centimeters. These many centimeters. Now what we need to find out? 5 centimeter. For that purpose, first we need to find out how 1 centimeter is equal to how many kilometers. Okay, 1 centimeter. So can we write like this? This is 1 lakh. Okay, centimeter means 1 lakh into 1 centimeter. 1 lakh into 1 centimeter. We will keep this 1 centimeter on this side only and transfer this 1 lakh on that side. So we'll get here 1 upon 1 lakh. This is kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter. No problem. That is nothing but what? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 1 lakh kilometer. Therefore, we can write here, we want 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter is equal to 5 into 1 upon 1 lakh kilometer. Therefore, 5 centimeter is equal to 5 upon 1 lakh kilometer. And therefore, last step we can write 5 centimeter is equal to, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that many digits we have to shift it by right side. Where is the decimal point? Here is the decimal point. We need to shift it by 5 digits to the left side. This is first digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, no problem. So 0.00005. 0.00005. That is my answer. That's the answer. Finish. Nothing else. Nothing else. Okay. Fine. So that is the answer of your question number 3 in that sub question 1. Now the next question is like that only. Express 35 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. So you can solve it. No problem. I have solved here one problem, and in the similar way only we need to solve the problem. Now the next problem is of kilometer. Like we will discuss the question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is there, and what the question is? Question number 4 is like this: express in kilogram, express in kg, express in kilogram. Okay, and what the question? Number 1, in that first one is 200 gram. 200 gram. Now we need to show that, we need to find out how 200 gram means how many kilogram. How many kilogram? Okay, no problem. Let's see here. For that purpose, we need to first establish the relationship in between gram and kilogram. And to find 200 gram, first we need to find out 1 gram is equal to how many kilogram. 1 gram is equal to how many kilogram. That is my basic step. If you want to find out how many 200 gram means how many kilogram. So for that purpose, first you should know about 1 gram is equal to how many kilogram. 1 gram is equal to how many kilograms. Okay, so as we know that, what do we know? As we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, कधीतरी तुम्ही जर किराणा मालाच्या दुकानात गेलेला असाल तर तुम्हाला अतिशय चांगल्या प्रकारे कळू शकतं की आपण ज्या वेळेला त्या दुकानदाराला काहीतरी साखर मागतो, शेंगदाणे मागतो, तर त्यावेळेला तो काय करतो, त्या वजन काटा असतो आणि त्या वजन काट्यावरती ती साखर ओतत असतो. त्यावेळेला आकडे पडत पुढं 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 जातात. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 आणि थोडंसं 990च्या आसपास आलं तर तो थोडी थोडी साखर टाकतो, कारण त्याला 1 किलो द्यायचं असतं. आणि 1000 आकडा बरोबर झाला की तो 1 किलोग्राम म्हणून तुम्हाला देतो. म्हणजे ते 1000 काय होतं, ग्रॅम होतं. 1 किलोग्राम बरोबर 1000 ग्रॅम आहे. आता आम्हाला काय माहित पाहिजे, पहिलं 1 ग्रॅम म्हणजे किती किलोग्राम. 1 ग्रॅमची व्हॅल्यू माहित पाहिजे, 1 ग्रॅम. ठीक आहे, मग यालाच आम्ही असं नाही लिहू शकत हो, 1000 गुणिले 1 ग्रॅम. 1000 ग्रॅम म्हणजेच 1000 गुणिले 1 ग्रॅम. 1000 गुणिले 1 केला, 1000 इंटू 1 केला तर 1000च मिळणार आहे. आणि मग याच्यावरून तुम्ही फक्त आता मला काय पाहिजे, 1 ग्रॅम पाहिजे. 1 ग्रॅम तिकडे ठेवा आणि ह्या 1000ला इकडे पाठवा, म्हणजे लेफ्ट हँड साइड मधून राईट हँड साइडला पाठवा. ठीक आहे, फाईन, नो प्रॉब्लेम. किंवा मी इथं नेक्स्ट स्टेपला लिहितो, तिथं जरा थोडंसं कन्फ्युजिंग वाटत असेल तर. therefore 1 kg is equal to 1000 into 1 gram. Okay, no problem. 1000 into 1 is 1000 and gram as it is. So we want this much only. Here 1 gram is equal to how many kilogram? So transfer this 1000 on this side. 1000 is in multiplication to the right side. Therefore it will become division on the other side. 1 upon 1000 kg is equal to 1 gram. Okay, no problem. So from here we can write 1 gram. Therefore now 1 2 3 1 2 3 zeros we need to cancel. So this is first digit, second digit, third digit, and this is decimal point. So you need to shift your decimal point by 3 digit to the left hand side. It is kilogram is equal to 1 gram, means we can write here 1 gram is equal to 1 gram or I think no need to write in that format. This much is enough because we haven't seen till multiplication of decimal numbers. Okay, fine. So we can write in this way only. 1 gram is equal to, so 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Okay, fine. So the required thing I got here, I wanted to find it out. 1 gram is equal to how many kilogram? So 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Now we need to find out 200 gram. So suppose this is equation number 1. Multiply equation number 1 by 200 on both sides. Multiply both sides of equation 1 by 200. So multiply. If you understand what we are doing, then no need to write that thing. Okay, multiply both sides by both sides of equation 1 by 200. Okay, so if we multiply this side by 200, so 200 into 1 gram is equal to 200 into 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Okay, so 200 into 1 means 200 gram is equal to 200 into 1 upon 1000 means we can write in this way, 200 divided by 1000 kilogram. Okay, so here we can easily cancel this 10 20, no problem. Therefore 200 gram is equal to 2 upon 10 kg, no problem. And the same thing we can write in this way, 200 gram is equal to, we just need to cancel out 10. So we will shift our decimal point is here. We will shift our decimal point by 1 digit only. So this is 1, finish, 0.2 kilogram. 200 gram is equal to 0.2 kilogram. Got it? 200 gram is equal to 0.2 kilogram. Okay, fine, no problem. Now few more problems are there, but in this video we will take only up to these examples, and remaining examples you will do as your homework, and no need to tell you every time that you need to do these examples as homework. you have to do it. Okay. Fine, no problem. So rest of the examples we will discuss in the next session. Okay, thank you.